Moffett land again, the demo area for Moffett Mountain, and we're going to show you how it turns into a different kind of forklift truck. How about that? You can now go sideways. Changing the angle of the wheels, you can rotate around a single axis. That's Michael showing it off to good effect for us. An even tighter circle. You can see those wheels, front driving wheels, hinge. Now, that's some manoeuvrability. So if you've got a long load on those forks, like a load of timber, you can go sideways and carry them quite happily. Those are the extending forks as well. Carry out a really long load. Up go the forks, round we go again. Here we have it working as a conventional forklift. Up to the side of the trailer. And because it's got those special functions, you can lift the load, use those to hold the side of the trailer, and extend it with those long extendable forks all the way over to the other side of the trailer. Down it goes, without any problem, stability. Thanks to the arms there. There we go. Just one of the features on the Moffett Mountain.